everybody, today we shall be creating an AI agent using Lovable AI.
We shall first be knowing our idea. That's the first thing we need to know. GeoGraAI. Okay, so then that's what we plan to call the AI. Then also we need to create a prompt. Then after creating the prompt, we paste the prompt, then we write, then it will code for us. Okay, so let's start with the first step. I've already known what we know or we need to know. So let's create the prompt. So right here, always start with greetings. Hi chat. Can you
We'll fast forward into time because this will take
now
a while.
what we'll do after it creates a prompt. After it creates a prompt, we'll come here and click copy. Then we just come here. Okay, let me insert these cookies first. Then we come here and paste our prompt. Control V. Then you can choose here build or plan. As a building. Build. If you want, you can use your voice input. Okay, as it creates that, we'll come here and generate an image. What shall we use? Oh, let's just use ChatGPT. Create a logo for the AI. We want to create a logo so that you can get something like this. Like this logo. Let's see if it will create. I think I never used all my generating image credits, so let it create. Over here it will ask you questions. Okay, we'll minimize this so it can look better. Just divided it into half. It's supposed to be something like this. Okay, multi-thread sidebar with separate chat threads with its own URL. One conversation, a singular continuous chat, simple UI. Multiple thread, yes. If you have your own history place, you can click it, but now I'll use Lovable Cloud account. Okay, Apple, email, and guests. Okay. I don't know how I'll do this. Okay. If you want it to notify you and once it's done, you click enable notification. Okay, so it will notify me. So let's see what you can do in Lovable. We can attach a file. If I want it to look like a certain website, like let's say I want it to look like ChatGPT, just take a screenshot of ChatGPT and then I can post it there. Okay, so then there's also, if you wanted to plan before you discuss how it will look, you can do that. You can use voice input as I was saying, and this one it shows if you want to stop it, you can stop it, just like Scratch where you can stop the code and start it. If you want to read if you want to go to your history, you can come here and click it, and you can choose another thing and do it and create your own other website. Lovable is intended to create websites, but one day I just thought, I already know how to create a website. What else? I want my own AI. So I just searched the internet and I saw people creating AIs, so I knew I could try it and it could be good. And it did well. I'll post the link of my first AI agent in the description below. Okay, so close sidebar. If you want to preview it, how it looks, if you want to edit it afterwards, you can preview it as you edit it. The files, the documents, once it's done it will show you the documents. Okay, so the code, if you're such a guy who likes seeing it code and correct if it's doing any mistakes, see if it's doing any mistakes, if you want to correct it. Then over here there's more. Okay, there's analytics, which you can view after you've published your project, like the amount of people who are using it, what they're using to view your website, what they have been using it for, how many credits they've used. If you want to add payments, you can do it all over here at payments tab. Okay, let's skip that one first and go to cloud, your AI usage and its performance, emails, the amount of all of these, the databases. You see these 4 tables, the messages, the ones you're sending to over there, the profiles, the saved images, and the threads. So let's come in and close it for a moment. More. Then the users, if you want to see the exact users who are using it, you can just see it from there. Storage, the amount of data being stored inside over here. Yes, your secrets, which you don't want people to view, like your API key. And if you want to add an API key, never add it over here. I wish I could have used that method where I write my own API key, so I can show you. It will view it inside the secrets, but never give anyone your API key because they'll be able to use it and use all your credits. Okay, SQL editor, if you want to run an editor. Logs, you remember I said if you want to see if it's coding bad. Now here you can view the exact thing that is going wrong with your AI, what has happened, and how you'll fix it. Okay, usage is the same thing you can do in analytics, but analytics is summarized. Okay, your security. You see I can do a deep security scan, and then SEO and AI search. I don't know what SEO is. And by the way, you can add your own custom domain, like .com, like how over here at ChatGPT it's .com. But in Lovable projects, it's always .lovable.app. So you have to pay to add that. Okay, if you want to refresh your preview place, you just click here, still refresh it. If you want to share, you can share it. Yes, and publish if you want it to be viewed by the whole world. So you can rename here to Geo. What did we call here? GeoAI or Geo. AI. Okay, GeoGraAI. So you can do all that in Lovable. So now it's done with our AI agent. Okay, so we can publish it. Let's continue. Let's first publish it so we can see how good it is. We'll come here to to ChatGPT and download this image. Download. Okay, we can come here. Okay, we can continue. Okay, so we can take this new image and come here and paste it. Geo forever. You can write anything. Okay, let's just generate social image. Yeah, sure. Okay, now just publish it. Does it publishes? We'll come here and now we can edit it if we want. See, select elements, edit text lines, no annotations, add comment, toolbar, and minimize. So you see, you can ask all of this. Try as guest. I don't want to be a guest. Try and fix. Okay. Try and fix. Okay, let's try with Google. Continue with Google. Let's see. Okay, allow. I'm so happy. Or maybe just write your email address and your password. Let's just open it on another tab. Let's just preview it. Continue with Google. Okay. Open chat. Okay. Let's see. It's just the same thing. Okay. So let's ask. Los Angeles picture. Let's see if it will generate a picture of Los Angeles. And let's actually see if it will answer. It's giving us text. So let's. Okay, this is getting cool. It has created an image. It has generated from an image. Yes, this is what I wanted. Okay, let's create a new chat. Let's ask it. Iran's. Okay, let me just. Alright, Iran's president lived to be how old? Okay, if we ask that here, we'll just come and copy paste the question. Okay. I know his how many years did it take him? Control C. Control V. Yeah. Yes! It's accurate! 63 years old! And it has an image of him. Okay, so let's ask it. We can also delete a chat. Okay, let's ask it something. Size of Kenya. Size of Kenya. No way. If it shows an image of Nairobi, I'll be happy. I believe it. I know this is correct. Okay, and plus, let's now see if it can do anything plus. Let's ask it to name all the countries in it. Name all countries in Europe and their size. And it also has the. Okay. As a dummy, let me ask just a dumb question. Let me see if it will answer a dumb question, or if it is coded to be a smart thing. Let me ask. Who is Elon Musk? I told it to only create 4 normal questions. Those questions. It knows. Whoa! The only thing I think I can do is change this copy button and rename and make it to name the chat. And make it to name the chat. Okay, so let's also ask a question about the galaxy. Biggest sun in the galaxy. Control C. Control V. Does it think? Well, let's go Google. RGC1FO1. Okay, not that bad. It's real good. So that's all for today. Don't forget to go and check out the description. The AI I have ever created, and I'm still on it. It's so good. Test it out. Log in and test it. You'll fall in love with it.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!